Hi all, welcome to Car Voyages. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can install DRL on our own. So if you are visiting this channel at the first time, please like and subscribe and click on the notification button. So stay with me, I'll take you to the step-by-step process how we can install. So this is a DRL, so order from Flipkart. So now it is available in Flipkart and Amazon. So material is good and it is flexible as well, and this is easy to install. You can peel it and install. So if you see, we have a 3 wires. One is red, black and yellow. So yellow is for the indicator and red is for the main wire and black is for earth. I'll show you how to install that. So here we are going to paste the DRL. So the length is sufficient. So I'm going to mark the area and I'm going to paste this and make sure the surface is clean. No dust particle exist. Okay. So just close the banner and take a CD marker and just mark around the bonnet like this. Now you see I pasted the DRL. I took the line as a reference. I kept 5 mm outside the line. That is sufficient. So the next step, use the black insulation tape, just paste around the DRL. So you can leave 5 mm from the outer edge. So the black color tape, it will prevent the light scatter from it and it looks beautiful. So you can keep like this. So the next step is electrical connection. So if you see here, this is the indicator pin. We have to connect yellow and black wire here and red wire at the bottom. So the bottom one, it is difficult to access, but we can install. Now you see I removed the plug. So yellow and black we need to connect here, and yellow is on bottom and black is on top. So you can take the reference of the existing wire from the car itself, so you can match with that color, it will match. So like this, just to hold both wires, yellow and black, and replug it. That's it. So now we are going to see how it looks like. You see, it looks stunning, right? Fine. So the next step, we have to install with the red wire. So the red wire we have to install with the bottom DRL. So it would be difficult to access, and you see here. So this is the plug you need to remove. So you can press and remove this button. So at the beginning it would be difficult. Just hold it tight and remove that. So once you remove the plug, it looks like this. It has a 3 pin. We need to connect with the yellow wire. So use some extra cable and connect with the yellow wire. So you have 2 options here. One is you can slightly remove the yellow sleeve and you can make a joint, or else you can use second option, how we have done for the turn indicator, but that is not recommendable because there is a chances of short circuit. So if you don't have a confident to remove the sleeve, please don't do that. So if you have a experience to slightly remove the sleeve, you can try. Just plug it like this. That's it. So the DRL looks stunning, right? Hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you guys. Let's meet you on next video.